Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be talking about the direction of vectors. The direction of a vector is defined by the angle it makes from the positive x-axis. We use the x and y component of each vector to find the angle. Let's put this vector A into standard basis notation. Vector A is equal to 10, 5, which means it's also equal to 10i plus 5j. Now, using trigonometry, we can find out what that angle is. The tangent of any angle is equal to the opposite over adjacent side. For this, we can treat 5j as the opposite and 10i as the adjacent. This means that tangent theta is equal to 5 over 10. This now means that theta is equal to the inverse tangent of 5 over 10. And using a calculator, that comes out to around 26.6 degrees. Now, if A makes an angle with the positive x-axis, we can define vector A in a different way. Previously, we've shown that A is equal to 10i plus 5j. We can now say that vector A is equal to A cosine theta I plus A sine theta j. This works for all vector whose direction is defined by the positive x-axis. The A in front of the cosine and sine is equal to magnitude. Let's try a quick example. Our first step is to put this vector v into standard basis notation. The x component is equal to 10i, and the y component is equal to 15j. That means vector b is equal to 10i plus 15j. Now, we can solve for the angle, aka the direction of vector b. To do this, we can use tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. In this case, tangent theta will be equal to 15 over 10. Which means theta is equal to the inverse tangent of 15 over 10. Now, using a calculator, this comes out to be around 56.3 degrees. Now, I want to put vector b in a different form. To do this, I'm going to need the angle and the magnitude of vector b. And I already have the angle, so let's find the magnitude now. To find the magnitude, we'll take the x component squared plus the y component squared, square root that sum, and that gives us about 18.03 as the magnitude. Now that we have both magnitude and direction, we can define vector b as 18.03 cosine 56.3 degrees I plus 18.03 sine 56.3 degrees times j. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was informative. Happy learning!